Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will teach you how to lock apps in iPhone in iOS devices without third-party application. Guys, it is very simple method. Please follow these steps. And guys, first of all, open shortcut application in your phone. Tap on it here. Tap on it. And guys, here now tap on authentication. Now create personal authentication. Now scroll down and guys tap on apps. Now tap on choose apps, and guys now select the apps you want to lock. And I'm selecting some apps you can see appear on the screen. And guys now here tap on done. And guys now tap on next icon top right corner here. And guys now tap on add action. Now search here timer. Search here timer. Now guys tap on start timer. Now select here 1 second time. Tap on minute, tap on second. 1 second time is selected. Now tap on next icon. And guys now tap on turn off from here. Don't ask, tap on done. And guys close the window. Now open clock in your iPhone, tap on it. Now tap on timer here. Now tap on here reader. Now guys tap on stop playing and tap on it. Now guys tap on set here and now go back. And guys now open that application you have locked. Tap on it Facebook. You can see Facebook is locked. You can see after 1 second you can see appear on the screen. Now he is open on my mobile passcode. You can see appear on the screen. Now open FaceTime here. You can see FaceTime is locked after 1 second. Now he is open that my mobile passcode. You can see. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.